We're going to do a brief video on EUR USD technical analysis, EUR USD analysis today. We've got a daily chart on here with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. And in a minute, we're going to show you some algorithmically generated prices for EUR USD, the euro versus the dollar. You can see it's been in a downtrend since approximately June of 21, and it's been in a very steady, nice downtrend, roughly following the 200-day. You've seen it just makes its basic sideways movements towards the 200-day, breaks down, sideways movements, breaks down, sideways movements, breaks down. Just very beautifully structured from a technical perspective, and it continues to do that. We're moving down as interest rates in the United States go up, and that's pretty standard. People are selling the euro and buying the dollar, and they're also obviously doing that with other currencies. Put in a low here, it looks like, on the 20th of September at about 0.9535 and rallied up just like it's been doing. You'll notice though that the gap is now starting to widen between the price and the 200-day moving average. That's almost always a sign that we're going to get a good rally, and it looks like we might be getting some bottoms put in here and some support. You'll see we had a decent bottom put in here with a slow kind of methodical rally up here last week. Then we have a decent little sell-off, and now we're probably going to get a sell-off this week to about 96.65-ish area, right around in there. And if we stop there and catch some support, we should be able to rally up a little bit, maybe back to par on this, maybe back to 1. So we need this price to be supported by the 5-day and the 20-day moving average. And if we get that this week, then early next week, referring now to the third week in closer to the third to last week in October, we could get rallied back up here to par. If we don't see that and we see a continued breakdown, we'll probably see a little sideways movement in a tight range, not getting much above 98.98, and then we'll probably fall back down and make a new low. So that's the best I can give you for technical analysis. Let's go down and take a look and see what the algorithmically generated price is for. We cover euros. This is from Monday the 10th. These are entry prices for 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 days. These are trading day holding periods. The way this works is you get in on the column that you're interested in, and you get out worst case at a loss at the end of the trading days, 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20, or you take your profits as soon as you get them. These are all for entertainment purposes only. Obviously, you have to do your own research. If you take a look for tomorrow, Monday, the 10th of October, we've got 0.9714 for a buy, all the way stretched out to the same for the 20 days. So it's showing the same price all the way across. And again, essentially, if you got in, you would hold until you got a profit, and worst case, get out at the end of the prescribed holding period. So that's what we've got for you for the EUR USD, and you can get all of this, all of our entry prices absolutely free, no credit card required, every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. Keep in mind, everything's for entertainment purposes, and you have to do your own research. All of our commentary and pricing entry points are for entertainment purposes only. You can get these for no credit card required, again, absolutely free. If you check the evening before, we often update the currencies after 6 p.m., but worst case, they'll be up by 7 a.m. the morning of. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And keep in mind, the best analysis is always your own.